Do you think today's internet is safe, free, and in our hands? Well, think again. China's next digital move has shaken the very foundation of the internet. A revolution is coming in the world of Web3, blockchain, AI, OS, and communication protocols. But this is not a revolution of freedom. It's a revolution of surveillance and control. The internet you know today, and what's coming next, will absolutely shock you. Welcome to Tiwari Z 2121, where we decode the future before it changes the world. Do you know that the internet, which you see as a symbol of freedom, is dying? We decode the future of technology before it changes your world forever. In the past few years, China has made amazing discoveries in software, the internet, communication, firmware, and operating systems that have surprised the world. From 5G to AI-powered smart cities, and now to the blockchain-based digital yuan, Chinese tech giants like Huawei, Tencent, and Alibaba are creating a world beyond your imagination. But the question is, will this technology increase your freedom or take it away forever? Let's uncover this mystery. But wait, is China the only one ahead in this digital race? No. America gave birth to Web 2.0 with Google, Meta, and Amazon, and is now investing in decentralized blockchain and cryptocurrency for Web 3.0. Japan is a leader in its super-fast 6G network and robotics. Europe is trying to make the digital world safe with data privacy and strict rules like GDPR. India is also growing fast with UPI and Digital India. But among all this, China's plan is a bit different. It's not just making technology, but also creating a new way to keep it under its control. What exactly is this model, and how is it different from the rest of the world? To find out, stay tuned until the end. Today, we're going to share a truth with you that could change the internet forever. In this video, we'll talk about 4 big points so you can understand China's Web 3.0 vision and how it will affect your life. First point. China banned cryptocurrency but embraced blockchain technology. How is this possible? Second point. Tech giants like Alibaba, Tencent, and Huawei are building permissioned blockchains, which is just a show of decentralization. Third point. Projects like the Digital Yuan and BSN are preparing China to be a leader in global digital governance. Fourth point. Will this Web 3.0 vision split the internet into 2 halves, one Western and one Chinese? And the biggest question, is your digital freedom at risk? Are we moving towards a world where every click, every transaction, and every digital step will be watched? To find the answers to these questions, watch this video until the end and share it with your friends. The digital apocalypse has begun, and the internet you knew, it's dead now. We decode the future that's about to change your world. For decades, the internet was our digital home, a platform that was open, endless. We browsed, shared, bought, and started living there. We trusted its structure. But imagine, what if this very internet is now slowly crumbling beneath your feet? What if, right now, a new, powerful digital idea is being born from the East? An idea that could change your digital life, your privacy, and your freedom forever. Today, we are going to peel back layer by layer that bitter truth. The internet you knew is dying. And what's coming? It's not just a new internet, it's an unimaginable leap towards a future you never even thought possible. Get ready, because this final transformation of the web has begun. If you also want to understand the future of the internet, subscribe to Tiwari Z 2121, where you get the most explosive tech insights. Let's make this video go viral and start that discussion on Web 3 that can shake the whole world. We are currently living in the world of Web 2. Just think, giant companies like Google, Meta, and Amazon are controlling your entire online world. Your data, your preferences, every click of yours, it's all under their control. This centralized system, as convenient as it is also proving to be dangerous. We have seen terrifying data breaches, dangerous censorship, and the immense influence of those few tech giants who are controlling the thoughts of the entire world. Our trust in these digital gatekeepers is now wavering. The internet is not dying with a big bang, but with a slow and planned death. Users no longer want to be products, but rather participants. An open and decentralized internet now seems like just a dream. replaced by some corporate giants who have become digital landlords. Amidst this dissatisfaction and the structural weaknesses of Web 2, a new dream arises. Web 3. Web 3. The next version of the Internet. It's an Internet built on decentralized tech like blockchain, where no single company controls everything, where users truly own their data and digital stuff, where there are NFTs, a say in how things are run through DAOs, and data that isn't broken into pieces but is clear and connected. This is the Internet that gives power to the everyday user. The three main ideas of Web 3, immutability, transparency, and user sovereignty, directly challenge today's centralized Internet. Imagine a web where censorship is hard, users own their digital identity, and value goes straight to creators and users, not through middlemen. This is the dream of a truly democratic Internet. A web that's not based on corporate trust, but on cryptographic truth. But what if another vision is rising? A vision that uses Web 3's tech but changes its very soul. This is where the story takes a turn, and Chinese tech giants enter the scene. While China has strictly banned public cryptocurrencies and speculation, on the other hand, it is quickly adopting blockchain technology. This is the paradox. A country that prioritizes central control is now becoming the biggest architect of Web 3. Alibaba's Ant Group, Tencent, Baidu, Huawei. They are not just experimenting, but pouring huge amounts of money into blockchain infrastructure. But their Web 3 vision is not public and permissionless. Instead, it's built on permissioned blockchains, often run by state-backed entities like the Blockchain-Based Service Network, BSN. There is transparency and efficiency here, but control remains with the state. This is controlled decentralization, where everything is traceable, auditable, and aligned with national goals. Digital identity systems, supply chain management, and the digital yuan, ECNY, everything is being built on this technology. This isn't just adoption. This is a complete reshaping of the entire Web 3 ideology, a model that is both efficient and completely tied to state control. This is the unimaginable transformation, a decentralized technology now being used for centralization. There are four big strategies behind this Chinese Web 3. 1. Data control and governance, bringing data into a national framework by building blockchain infrastructure. 1. Industrial applications, optimizing supply chains using digital identity and smart contracts. 1. Financial innovation, financial oversight and payment efficiency through the digital yuan. 1. Global standards, influencing international digital governance through permissioned blockchains. This isn't just about tech. It's about tech sovereignty and geopolitical strategy. If China's Web 3 model succeeds, what will that mean for you? We could see two different internets. One, the open Web 3 of the Western world, based on freedom and decentralization. The other, China's centralized Web 3, where technology is part of state control. This will be the internet split. Different protocols, different standards, and different digital experiences, just based on your location. This isn't just about speed or interfaces. It's about the internet's basic structure and governance, the farewell to the open internet, and the beginning of a world walled by Web 3. The biggest thing about China's Web 3 vision is this. It takes the efficiency and transparency of blockchain, but leaves behind the principles of decentralization. Every transaction, every digital identity, every interaction is recorded by the state and corporations together on a permissioned blockchain. Yes, this could revolutionize finance, logistics, and urban management, but with that comes a new world of surveillance and data governance. This is not Silicon Valley's Web 3. This is a powerful, different, and perhaps more effective vision. Now we want to know, what's your opinion? Do you believe the future of the internet will now split into two parts? Will this new model affect your digital rights? Be sure to share your opinion in the comments. Hey everyone, today we've uncovered a truth that could change not just the internet, but your entire digital life. China's Web 3.0 vision points to a world where technology will have unprecedented power, but who will hold this power? That question remains unanswered. If China's vision succeeds, we could be heading towards a fragmented internet, an internet that will be split into two different worlds. On one side, Western ideals that talk about freedom and privacy, and on the other, the Chinese model that prioritizes efficiency and control. This change is not just technical, but also ideological and geopolitical. It's the end of the internet as we knew it, a global, open platform. But this end could also be a new beginning, a world where you own your digital identity and data. But for that, we need to be aware. We need to understand what threats our digital freedom faces and how we can stop them. At Tiwari 2121, we bring you deep and fact-based information like this, which prepares you for the future. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Friends, the digital revolution isn't stopping. It has just begun, and we need to be ready for it. Let's work together to create a world that respects our freedom and privacy along with technology. Until then, stay curious, stay informed, and be ready for the revolution. With Tiwari 2121, we are with you on this journey.